Hi girls! Welcome again to Teacher's Home Ballet Practice Series. So this is what you can do at home without teachers safely. Again, remember to have enough space to do your exercises and things that you might not hit, so make sure to move them aside. Yeah, the things you might hit in any case. Yeah, today's video is going to be about doing your pas de chat. So pas de chat means step of a cat. Yes, so step of a cat, like meow meow meow. Okay, so if you have a cat at home, you look at how they jump, and this is why the pas de chat was made. So your pas de chat will be practiced in first position and in third position. And teacher will teach you today how to pas de chat from first and the proper way to pas de chat from third. All our pas de chats come from a third or a fifth position. But when we start, in the beginning, we start with the first position. So I hope you absorb all of this. Let's start. Again, make sure you have enough space. Have your hands on your hips and your feet in first. You plie, so it starts with the plie. One leg goes up and we jump to change. One more time. Go back, plie. One leg goes up and we jump to change with our other foot. So again, the step goes the same on the left side. You bring the left leg up and you close and change with the right. So both legs go up and come down. Okay, so quicker, it looks like this. And to the left we go, pas de chat. Now ideally, your pas de chat starts with the third position. Okay, so pas de chat starts with your third position. To go to the right, we have our right leg behind. So make sure your left leg is in front. Now hands on your hip again. Third position off your feet. If you still don't know how to do a third position, watch teacher's other video for basic feet positions. Okay? Plie. We will not change leg. We do the same pas de chat and close in front. Did you see? One more time. Same thing. Plie. The back leg will come up and close in front. This is a pas de chat from third. Again. Plie with the left foot in front, and your right foot goes up first and close in front. Now let's do the left side. Now your left foot goes to the back. Plie and bring up the back foot and close in front. One more time. Plie and the left foot goes up and closes in front. Last one. Plie and pas de chat, close front. Make sure to repeat the video if you didn't get it. Pause the video and go back to the start. Be sure to practice this every day. Our pas de chat from first and our pas de chat from third. When you grow bigger, you'll start learning pas de chats from fifth position. But for now, teacher wants you to keep your pas de chats in third position so that you are safe at home. Don't forget to practice every day and to replay the video if you don't understand the exercise. Okay, bye girls! Thank you for watching!